Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, trailering package, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, speed control. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, Sirius satellite radio, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.